the stock skyrocketed from 97 cents all the way to $2 even on a volume.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday. It's June 30th. And in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, we delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. The markets are in record territory, all-time highs. Dow rose 1% even at 43,819, the Dow. The Nasdaq closed up 0.52% on the day to settle at 6,173. The Nasdaq closed up 0.52% as well to settle at 20,273, the Nasdaq. Apple rose a meager 0.04% to settle at $201.08 Apple. One of the big winners on the day, LCFY. The stock spiked an incredible 225% on the day to settle at $8.30. The high of the day was $13.98, brand new 52-week high. The volume turned up 96 million on Friday. LCFY. Dave's play today is a SP play. This one's in and out. Grab and go, one and move, hit and run. Do not overstay your welcome. IPDN is up 190% thus far in the pre. Currently trading at $5.08 at the recording of this video. Just wait for a pullback on this one before you make an entrance. High of day thus far, $6.39. There's some resistance at $5.90. There's no news out in particular, but we just riding price action. IPDN has spikeability. For example, on April 9th, the stock skyrocketed from 97 cents all the way to $2 even on a volume of just 1.6 million. This one's in the staffing services space and their headquarters out of Illinois. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Rather you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of $4 million. They have a teeny tiny float of just 989K. 50% of the float are held by insiders. 6% of the float are held by institutions, and shorts has 3% of the float.
Shorts.
Price per sales 0.39. Their 50-day moving average is $1.55. Their 200-day moving average $4.18. This is IPDN. 6.5 million in revenues. Their revenue per share 4.52. They have a gross profit of $4 million. Let me say that one more time. $4 million in gross profit. They have a total cash of $496K and a total debt of $256K. Their current ratio is sitting below par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 0.55 IPDN. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, boom. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care. I'm out.